with shine. We move it with love. We sing together. Happy birthday. 3, beautiful, beautiful. And 4, awesome. We go down, we shine together with love. Wow! The whole family of Dolphin is here. Let me start with the siblings. This is Luna, 3 years old, with the beautiful Wonder Woman is Olga. Then we have the baby Dolphin, 2 years old, Lucy. She's performing Brad trainer Anatoly. Tiamat is the bring all way trainer Sergey. And the captain of all Dolphin Nemo with trainer Brad Iwan.